Hello guys, this is Balika. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a snow globe for the springtime. This DIY project is fun and simple. The first thing that you'll need is to get a leak-proof food jar such as the one that I'm showing you here. You can find jars of all kinds of shapes and sizes, so make sure to find one that fits your figurine perfectly. This Princess Snow White figurine is a cake topper that I've kept from one of my birthday cakes. Since I want my Snow White to sit a little higher inside the snow globe, I'm gluing it down onto another bottle cap before gluing them down onto the lid of the jar. Make sure to use a super glue that is waterproof, and you may want to leave your figurine and the lid to dry overnight to make sure that the glue is completely dried and the figurine is stuck very tightly. Moving on to the preparation of the water, and here is how not to do it. I started with some hot water because I was planning to use some glitter glue and I thought the hot water would help the glue to melt and mix better with the water, but it didn't work out very well. The water became quite murky and it just wouldn't work for a snow globe. I don't know if it's because of the hot water or the fact that I used glitter glue. Maybe the glue already have some coloring in it, and so I've decided to just throw out the water and try again with regular glitter without the glue, and also using cold tap water instead. This time the water is clear and the glitter mixed well with the water, so I'm very happy with that. And it is time to put in my beautiful mini Snow White. I would suggest that you do this in the sink so that you don't spill water like I did. And voila, here is the snow globe. I'm really happy with how it turned out. At this point, you can choose to just stop here and play with your snow globe, enjoy it. Or you can choose to decorate it some more. Since I would like to give this away as a gift, I'm going to be decorating it some more. I'm gluing some artificial flowers on the outside of the snow globe to give it a more springtime look. And as a final touch, I add some craft jewels to the top of the snow globe just to make it look extra special and girly and princessy. And this is it. This is my springtime Snow White snow globe. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.